Life always waits for some crisis to occur before revealing itself at its most brilliant. Now, the good news is that although things take time, people are able to move on, and when they do, they leave behind lessons, actual, tangible, lived experience ways to heal. Eventually, we do heal.
What's cooking, what's popping, SJS Nation, SJS family, it's your girl Shejackie says, and I am back once again on your screens with another video. So guys, in today's video, I'll be taking you guys throughout my weekend vlog. I'll be taking you guys throughout my weekend, so it's going to be like a vloggy weekend. It's been a very long time since I did a vlog for you all. When I started my national service, I've never even vlogged for you guys, but that's going to be in another video. But today is a Friday, yes, and I have pretty much packed for the weekend. I'll be traveling for work, content creation, influencing and stuff. So I'd want to take you guys along how things go and all that. If you're new here, I am Jacqueline, your boy, popularly known as Shejackiesays, and stick and stay with me, right along with me as I take you guys through my hectic weekend vlog as a national service personnel, as a content creator, as an influencer, and many more. So let's just get right into it. So this is me getting to my junction to get a car for work because I am late. I'm supposed to be at work by 8, but
now, eating heavy in the morning is something I really do. So this is me at one of my favorite wachi joints in Winneba, just opposite the North Campus of University of Education, Winneba. So today I didn't prepare any breakfast. I had to buy wachi to work. So I was heading to the office. As I told you guys, I was taking you guys through my Friday, my Saturday, and my Sunday. Apparently, this is a Friday. On my way to the office because I was really late. We report to work at 8 a.m. but hey, I was late. A girl's gotta do what she's gotta do. Say hi. On this particular day, our office was very less busy, but most of the times it's very busy. That was why I was able to vlog today. Sometimes you be swamped with work at the office that I literally forget to vlog. So yes, and I during the day I think I forgot to vlog for you guys, but hey, I'm sorry. So after work, my father, which I think I've never featured my father on the channel before. My mom has, not fully, but anyways, my father visited me, gave me a surprise visit, which I wasn't aware of. I forgot to vlog. In fact, I forgot I was vlogging. I was so excited to see him. So this is him, and we were just strolling around town before he took me home, before he had to go back to Accra. So the guys meet the father of Shejackiesays.
What's up, guys? So I know I told you guys we are vlogging today. Pretty much I wanted to omit the traveling vlogging part because it was very stressful. So after work I came to Accra, as I told you guys. This is like a weekend. It's a stressful vloggy weekend. That was why it's a stressful weekend. That was why I wanted to take you guys throughout the vlog. So currently I'm at Pram. This is my first time coming here. It's late in the night. We got here. Jesus. I didn't camera, front camera. Front camera. We got here. This is the time we got here. So it's 10 something. Y'all's 10 something, now eating, late meals and all that. So probably, guys, if I'm not able to talk to you guys again, probably continue this vlog tomorrow. Yeah, because the girl is super tired.
What's up, guys? Good morning, and it's a beautiful content creation day for me. As I told you guys yesterday, it was like very hectic. I couldn't give you guys a proper vlog yesterday because the girl was super tired. So currently I am at prom, as I told you guys. So we are basically here for work purposes. Yes, I would have prom is such an amazing place. The weather is but probably wouldn't be the one of cool, yes. But anyways, as I said, I just woke up and I'm about to learn my scripts and all that because it's very necessary for me to get that up right and all that before I go on set today. So let's just enjoy the view, and as I said, I'll just be taking you guys throughout the day. So the way back home is what do I say? I mean,
Hello there. It's been a minute. This is your girl Shejackiesays, and you're all welcome back to the SJS vlog where we talk about fashion, lifestyle, and entertainment.
FJ.
So today,
with the strength of a woman, Shejackiesays. With the power of a woman, Shejackiesays. Everywhere she goes, every day, Shejackiesays. With the strength of a woman, Shejackiesays. With the strength of a woman, Shejackiesays. With the power of a woman, Shejackiesays. Everywhere she goes, every day, Shejackiesays. Looking so fly, Shejackiesays. Young YouTuber, always on the tube, trying to make a living. Never gonna freaking stop, no way. Ain't nobody stopping her, no way. Yes, no way. Always in the zone, always in the prime zone. King of queens, looking like a pro, killing every shows with no stress.
So as I said, I am in a crowd for a video shoot, content creation, other stuff, and I had to make up before the actual shoot. So this is a place at Pram called Shushan City. You guys can check her out on Instagram. Everything here was amazing and perfect. Their customer service was right on point. They do haircuts, they do braiding, nail appointment, spa treatment, makeup, a lot more, guys. Just check them out on Instagram. I loved every bit of the few, I think it was an hour or more that I spent there. I can't actually recall, but this was the makeup process, and yeah.
Hello there. It's been a minute. This is your girl Shejackiesays, and you're all welcome back to the SJS vlog where we talk about fashion, lifestyle, and entertainment.
FJ.
So today,
with the strength of a woman, Shejackiesays. With the power of a woman, Shejackiesays. Everywhere she goes, every day, Shejackiesays. With the strength of a woman, Shejackiesays. With the strength of a woman, Shejackiesays. With the power of a woman, Shejackiesays. Everywhere she goes, every day, Shejackiesays. Looking so fly, Shejackiesays. Young YouTuber, always on the tube, trying to make a living. Never gonna freaking stop, no way, ain't nobody stop.
After the makeup and styling up my hair, I had to leave and move to the location, as that was the main reason why I came there in the first place, to get my makeup done and get back to set. So these are some of the behind the scenes footages of the shoot. I can't really reveal a lot right now because a lot of stuff is not yet out, but here are some of the behind the scenes of the whole thing and how things went down. And probably when it's out, I will share it with you all. Right now, fingers locked, and let's just enjoy some behind the scenes footages. Now this is me in another second attire because it was a shoot, and obviously it was a whole long scripted something which needed variety of footages. So this is me in another dress, BTS of how things were going and all that. So guys, watch out for something great which I'll share with you all later.
guys, we are finally done with our video at Pram. I'm off to Winneba. It's like almost 6. I'm pretty sure I'll get there like 9-10. My weekend is still packed, guys, so just take you guys along the road, and thank you for sticking and staying with me.
So yeah, I realized that after I took breakfast in the morning, I hadn't eaten, and this was like around 5 now. So you had to pass by a place around Pram Pram to eat fufu before we set off because the journey was very long, and I didn't want to be cringing in the bus. So after that, we set off back to Winneba. We got to Winneba very late. It's 10 p.m. I just got back to Winneba because I know I'm supposed to sleep and all that, but it's very late. Like, yeah, so I'm in Winneba right now. It's 10 p.m. and I'm back because I'm planning on having another shoot, interview stuff with the students tomorrow, and move back to Accra on Monday for an event which I'm supposed to MC. So guys, I'm very tired. I just wanted this outdoor setting for you guys to see. I didn't want to wait and get to my room before. But anyways, thank you guys for sticking and seeing me today. See you guys tomorrow in another video. Another day, guys, and apparently this is the last day of my vlog. A beautiful Sunday. I had to go for dress fitting. You guys remember that I was very tired last night, so I had to go for dress fitting because I have a program to MC, which is a fashion week to MC the next weekend. So I had to go for dress fitting. So this was the location where I had to do some dress fittings before, so probably I'll show you guys. I don't know if I'm vlogging the fashion week or not because I'm emceeing. I don't know how I'll be able to do that, but probably pull some snippets or pictures or however way I would let you guys know. If not on YouTube, probably on my Instagram socials. Of education, winneba. Who is the third president of the Third Republic of Ghana? So yeah, literally after the dress fitting, I had to step out to the university campus to go do some interviews. Then later on went to the beach to also do some interviews because why not? Any free time I get, this is how I spend it. So my free times either I rest or I go out to shoot. There's never a free moment for me. There's never a dull moment for me right now in my life. So guys, that is all for my vlog for my weekend. I hope you guys enjoyed Friday, Saturday and Sunday. At least I've given you guys important snippets of my days. What's up guys? So finally I am back, done showing you all how stressful my weekend is. So today is Sunday. This was the last day of my weekend. Tomorrow is going to be a very stressful day, but I might not be able to take you all through it because hell was very stressful. But anyways, thank you guys for sticking and staying with me throughout Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Yeah, this is how stressful it is. You can share with me yours in the comment section. Probably shoot a video like this if you're inspired. Shoot the same, tag me. So thank you guys for watching today's video. It's your girl Shejackiesays, your hostess with the mustache beneath, the hottest, the juiciest. I am out. Peace guys.
Power of a woman, Shejackiesays. Everywhere she goes, every day, Shejackiesays.